In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a loading spinner in Base44. A loading spinner is a simple visual cue that tells your users the app is working in the background, fetching data or preparing a view, so they're not left wondering if something went wrong. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in perceived speed and overall user experience, and Base44 makes it straightforward to add. Start by opening the Base44 web app in your browser. Once you're in, you'll land on the main workspace. From here, look toward the navigation where you manage your projects and tools. You'll see an area labeled Apps. That's where Base44 lists applications connected to your workspace, so it's the right place to go when you want to make changes to a specific app's interface or behavior. Click on Apps to open that view. On the Apps page, locate the app you want to update. In this example, select Banana Corporation. Clicking into the app opens its editor where you can configure components, data connections, and interactive states. If you collaborate with a team or manage multiple environments, give the app name and workspace a quick glance to confirm you're in the correct place before continuing. That helps avoid confusion and ensures you're making changes exactly where you intend. With the app open, you'll see the editor and a preview side by side. Look for the input area where you provide instructions to the editor, often a prompt or command field designed for quick natural language changes. In that field, type the phrase "add a loading spinner." This tells Base44 to introduce a spinner component and connect it to the appropriate loading state so it only appears while the app is busy. A proper spinner should be lightweight, unobtrusive, and clearly visible against your app's background. If your design already has a color system, Base44 will typically match the spinner style so it feels native to the rest of your UI. After you enter the phrase, keep an eye on the preview panel. You should see the spinner integrated into the flow where loading occurs, such as while data is being retrieved. This visual feedback gives users confidence that progress is underway and helps prevent repeated clicks or premature navigation. If your app uses multiple data sources or pages, the same principle applies. Spinners appear only when needed and stay out of the way when content is ready. That's it. You opened Base44, navigated to Apps, selected your target app, and typed "add a loading spinner" in the editor. With that in place, your users get a smoother, clearer experience whenever the app needs a moment to load.